welcome back to the next video. Welcome if you're new, and today I'm going to be playing Royale High, and it has a 1 billion update. You hear that, and there is a ballroom slash prom dance, whatever you want to call it. So the update log. I don't think this is it. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna read the description. I don't know why. So I'm going to read the description. 1 million. The 1 billion visit update is here. Take the carrot to the new Royal High and get ready to go to the gourmet dishes made specially for the night's event. Ask in the ballroom and make it to level 8 to become the Olympian dancers. They're made in price in bolded. Up your makeup before going to the ball because you might just be voted as a when you enter the ball. New hairstyles, outfits, and makeup. New outfit sorter. Find your favorite outfit and sort by color, style, or season. Bugs are fit and yep. So let's check how everything the new outfit. Kinda create a new look. What I realized now all of the skirts you own and are on the mannequin these turtles. Because I just realized how did I get a new skirt? Then you can check out everything. Stored by color, Princess Fairy, Mermaid Sailor, Sporty Dark Space. So that's actually pretty awesome. Really awesome. I love the sorter, and there is more. I'm gonna wait a little bit since it's a little bit laggy-ish. So I'll be right back when so I loaded all the outfits, well, half of them, and there's a bunch of new. Here they are, all related to. I think that's all. And a new unicorn outfit. Oh my god, I thought I had to. There are a bunch, like I said, new outfits. So when I tried to create a kind of outfit, it is about next week. I'm not sure though. So I forgot. So oh, that's so cute. I will have actually just check Valentine's, Spring, Easter, Summer, Halloween, Fall, Christmas, color, blah blah, multicolor. Here are the new ones. I think this is all of it. So they look all amazing. I don't think so at least. So yeah. Like tails and stuff. So there's so much awesome and cute makeup. I think those are from Fashion Frenzy because I just was looking for them and I saw them. I've seen them. So yeah, there are so many new faces. Definitely. So I wonder if they're new wings. So yeah, I don't know why I'm on the heels. So they're. So I think this is mine. It's super nice and cute. Yeah. Let's just check all of those. Let's get that gem. And I'm going to be checking the ball after, so let's check out. And by the way guys, I'm sorry for not uploading. I've just been busy with some stuff on YouTube and making the first of my Gacha series YouTube Academy. So yeah, and stuff. So that was my Gacha series. YouTube Academy will start probably tomorrow or on day. So yeah, I'm super excited and yeah. So let's see what we get today from the wheel. And we got Big Me Mask. Oh, I think I already got it. Only one way to find out if we got it or not. Do I have it? Yep, I did have it here. So, yeah, that's okay. We'll see tomorrow. And I did a fountain though. So in the cold winter breeze, you almost hear the same whisper saying, "Visit the fountain." You wonder if you just imagine, decide to follow what it says. You approach the fountain and sit on the edge and gaze into the cold of the dewiest fountain. Well, let's give it 100. And you probably wonder how, because in the last video I had 200. I've just been collecting them by just collecting gems and that's all. You toss your diamonds into the fountain, pops its head above the water and takes them. You yell angry, "Hey!" So I'll be right back when I go to Royale. So I'll see you. So I am here and I'll see you guys when be right back. Out the schedule is something new about it. So breakfast, chemistry, baking, computer, English, PE, lunch, art, swimming, and dance at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to find where it is. What if it's here with that? Where you come from P, if you're from P and you come here. That's awesome. So ballroom open from 8 p.m. to midnight. Can you go in? Nope. Alright, so it's right here. So I need to go get a locker, do the classes for lunch, and then record classes. Maybe P as well. Yeah, so I'll be right back, guys. And sorry if from time to time I just like record at like in this video. Cause I stop recording then record for a little bit because it lags here when I don't record for a long time, and that's why my video stuff like that. So I'll be so guys. Baking just ended. I just did baking. Well, not really baking. I just did computer, but before that I was baking, and look how many cupcakes I got. Well, I took the 2 of mine since there wasn't anybody there. But yeah, so these are my cupcakes. I call them unicorn cool. They look like unicorns. And cupcakes kind of have sugar, I think. I have no. So yeah, so I'm going to do English, and I'll be back at the ball, guys. See you later, guys. So guys, so I just wanted to, so I just met her and she was cool, and I'm gonna check out her profile, and though I can't believe who I just saw, and this was MLP Tony, so I was like, oh my gosh, I literally froze for a second, and I was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, that is super cool. And yeah, I was just like, she looks cool, and I just clicked on her like, what's her username? And I was like, no way. And I'm super excited. So yeah, so that's awesome that I'm there. Now everybody's going there. But anyway, I'm going to be back after swimming. So right back, guys. I'm super excited because it's the last class, and it's the ball / dance class. And I was just looking at my only Tiana, and now that I realized, once I made some like hat and stuff like that, she was there, and I actually didn't know that she was a YouTuber then, but then I found her, and now I was like, oh my god. So I'm super excited, and I'll see you in a little bit, guys. So yeah, the school dance is starting, so I'm super excited. Go somewhere. I'm gonna go here and get ready. I think I'm just gonna put a longer dress on. But on the rose, draw in the garden. Not possible. Sadly. Oh my god, the colors are going crazy. Sorry about the noise in the background, by the way. No, it's just the game my sister's playing on. Yeah. So don't. What to wear? Maybe it is. Now I have to find the exact same purple. I think it's this. Oh wait, is that really this thing? Or does it is a way too low? Way darker. In the middle here. Yeah, it's a way darker color. Oh. Now that. Nope, that's not the color. Let's put the rainbow trail on. Why not? And anything else? Yep. Well, I'm going to go to the dance after the time. I'll be right back, guys. Yay, I can't wait. But I might have to end it really easily. Not the whole thing, but yeah. Let's see the thing has arrived at the ball. Ooh, princess lady has arrived. I think you can fix up Tatiana and PewDiePie, or else you will hold her. Cool. Oh my, this, so pretty. Oh my gosh. My gosh, look at all the flowers. Oh my gosh, the glass is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can we get some? Can I get it? Stay. I had no idea that. Can I have one? This might be just the best care for a dance with. What is this? Messing around. What? What? We got this. Oh. This is amazing. I think that's how you're supposed. This is so. This damn. I love the ball though. Game over. Oh no, you and your partner lost. Better something. Good. GG. GG. Oh.